Our world is made up of patterns and sequences that are all around us. One way to look at mathematics is that it is a search for hidden patterns in the complex looking world around us. Human beings seem to have an inborn capacity to understand the most basic concepts of maths, space and quantity. And it is around the basic idea of quantities, around numbers and counting, that this workshop is structured. If we count the balls on screen, we can see that we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12 balls. We have counted them using the decimal system that we use commonly and are most familiar with. In the decimal system, we count things in groups of 10 and using 10 symbols 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. The obvious reason why we count in tens is probably because we have 10 fingers and we can count 10 things using them. But have you noticed that many cartoon characters, like in this famous Calvin and Hobbes series, have only 4 fingers on each hand, a total of only 8 fingers? What would counting have been like if we lived in Calvin's universe? Would we have counted in groups of 8 and used only 8 symbols 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7? And would the common way of counting not been in the decimal system but the octal system? What would that look like? Let us see. We start counting the balls like before as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. But we have no symbol for 8. As we did in the decimal system, after we counted till 9, we will write or represent 8 as 1, 0 in the octal system. 9 will then be represented as 1, 1. 10 will be represented as 1, 2, 11 will be represented as 1, 3 and 12 will be represented as 1, 4. You will have noticed that we still have the same number of balls, 12 in all. However, the way we represent it in the octal system is 1, 4 instead of 1, 2. Our workshop will look at this in some more detail and we think that you will find it very interesting.